Sorry.
Biko ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekene m unu aka mbụkwa Maazi Dibia oji nkuzi emoji aka ji ofe arụ ofu onye na ndụ ịma na asị na okenye ada nọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọgbụrị ịfụrụ amụ ka m gbara ọsọ bịa n'iru akwụkwọ etu ọma na onweghị ife na-emebi ibe anyị agwa m na alụ na-eme agwa m na ọ bụrụ isi awọ bụ amamife agwakwa m unu si unu na ọ bụrụ nke a bụ okenye agwakwa m unu si unu na ofeke na-akakwu nka na ofeke kalụ nka abụrụ na ọ bụrụzi onye isi na ọ bụrụgo onye amamife nna ebe akwa nna ebe unu aghọtara ihe nna ebele akwa kedu anọlụ m onwe m kịta 27 minutes ago ofu nwa m nwoke n'iru akwụkwọ ọnwa onye ka ebele m ụra tag ya m na video sim please Maazi, I need your answer from this sir. So ka m gosi unu ihe ọ delu m Maazi, please I need your answer to this. Onye ka ebere m ụra mgbe che ka nchegodi ihe ọ na-akpọrọ m nwe gebe
Ganye chicken ni na ife na-eme gị na because nye be chicken ni gị ganye chicken ni ọ gị ga dọtụ chicken ni ga dọtụ chicken na dọtụ olu chicken na ife na-eme ga akwụsị na o nwere ife dị ka ị dọtụ chi and o nwere ife dị ka ihe chi ni where the heart onye ọbụla jide aka n'obi this is your God Joa yes do you hear me where your heart. Your body is nonsense, but your God, Chigi, is called heart. Heart. Want me to talk again? Yes. So people don't understand now.
I'm telling
you that your heart is giving nature. That's why a man is a God to somebody. So, but if you have one down in the family, I know one of the there's nothing like that nation. Our heart is our God. You whosoever they told you that chicken is a wrong art and also is a ritual art and also is a fetish belief. Because God has already created us in his own image and also giving us our heart. Our heart is our inner our heart is our
if rock on you had
and also because I am from the beginning.
Okay, biko ụmụnne m na-ewe n'iwe ịma na nna ekwu okwu n'iru akwa nsị na a na-ekwu okwu okenye ọkwa na anyị nwa bụ okenye a na-ekwu maka ya yes na anyị Igbo kịta a na-ekwu okwu okenye anyị nwa bụ okenye a na-ekwu maka ya iche na okenye bụ isi awọ negodo ife nna m a na-afọtọfụ ọnụ na-ekwu with confidence ọ sị hold your heart. Hold your heart. Your chi is your God. What arrant nonsense. Is it no better? Ụmụazị weta kamera n'iru gị sifa biko ụmụ m na m bụkwa na ofeke na m amara ife a. Agwagwa m unu si na ofeke is not an insult. Ofeke means a non-initiate. Somebody that have total ignorance of esoteric knowledge. Somebody with total ignorance of the ontology and cosmology ndị Igbo. Onye bụ ofeke abụrụ mkpali nsị gị na ịbụ ofeke. The opposite of the word dibia is ofeke. Ofeke abụrụ efulefu. In this context, nna m na-ekwu okwu abụ ofeke. Respectfully. Now, he told this young man na chi bụ God ya. The most mistranslated Igbo word mfugo bụ chi. I repeat. Okwu Igbo ndị mmadụ na-amara ife ọ pụtara bụ chi. And that is why I rushed to make this short video. Chi ga-abụrụ God. I repeat. Chi ga-abụrụ God. I repeat. Chi ga-abụrụ God. Now, what is God? Ebe ọ na-esele mụ na unu bụ na unu ada anụ oyibo, unu ada anụ Igbo. Ọtụtụ ndị na-agụ egwu agụgo egwu. Ana m abụ almost every Christian musician na Nigeria agụgo egwu. chee na chi bụ God. That is to say, na ndị na-asụ Igbo ada anụ Igbo. Now today ka nkuzielu gị ihe bụ chi na ife bụ God. It will still take me back to the etymology, because nkwuchi okwu mama akpọrọ etymology ma na okwu ebebere. Kedu ife bụ etymology? The word etymology is the origin of every word. What is the origin of this word na-akpọ God? The origin of the word God is Gudan from ancient Hindustan, that is also in India, or God from the German word, which simply means a deity. Alose. Now, what is Chi? Chi is not synonymous to the word God. Chi is different from God. Na Igbo. Many people, both PhD holders na Igbo, can ekwu na Chi bụ God. But what is Chi? Chi is not God. Chi is the essence of life in you. The attribute of the Almighty from the divine. Chi bụ mma nke ndụ dị n'ime mmadụ. Listen to the Igbo. Chi bụ mma ndụ dị n'ime mmadụ. The essence of life, that spark of life dị n'ime gị. Nya bụ Chi. Are you getting my point? Chi is the spark of life. In medicine, Chi is referred to as pulse. Are you listening? In metaphysics, Chi is referred to as ether. Ije no nogu. If I have a doctor na check me my pulse, or come the rate at which your Chi the active. Kamando di ni mego fosikwalo. Manundo. Chi bro God, because the word God means a deity. Chi is the pulse, the essence of life, the spark of life in you. The conscious spark of life from the divine. Ife no kike. The spark of life no kike that entered into you. And I made a teaching telling you people that is why the Igbo people knows that it takes 40 days, from 0 to 40 days, for the spark of life to enter into a human. Nwanyi di ime to today. Nwanyi di ime 2 weeks. Chia batabero n'ime nwa ahụ obu n'afọ. I'm talking of the Western calendar of 2 weeks. That is 14 days. If a woman is pregnant 21 days, there is no pause in the fetus. If there are doctors in the building, confirm what I'm saying. If a woman is pregnant 28 days, there is not pause in the woman. There is no pause in the fetus. The pause comes into a fetus from the 7th week. 6th to the 7th week. From 35 to 40 days. Essentially, the 40th day, the fetus must have had pause. Nwa ebu n'afọ na-akpụkọ si n'ọbala na-achọ ka ọ wọlụ mmadụ. That is the day on will pause. According to our ancient ancestors, it is constant that it is on the 40th day that the pulse, the chi, enters into the fetus. That is why the Igbo people make sure that they bury a human being on or before 40 days. Before ndo kabia wetela mortuary. The Igbo people make sure that a man or woman who passes on must be buried on or before the 40th day. Ema why? Ki yali ikwe izu iri n'enu ana. Maka no izu, when I mean izu, I mean 4 days. Izu iri, 4 times 10, 40 days. It will take you 40 days. Ki ije n'aka ndị aka akwụ, ka ekpe gị ikpe. That is how it is in the Igbo worldview. Ndị Igbo adịghị eji ọkụ mmụọ na eluigwe. Na mmadụ nwụrụ, ije n'aka ndị aka akwụ, ekpe gị ikpe. Ekpetele gị mma, ịma na ịnọ ụwa ọ dịlị gị mfe. Ekpetele gị njọ, ịnọ ụwa iwele anya fụ kọnkịrị. So in the Igbo world view, we reincarnate by virtue of the judgment anyị nweta through the akakwụ, the primordial energies. Ndị ichie. Chi is not God. Now, maybe what the woman na video. I will play a bit what the woman na video.
All those supposed to come.
Okay, the young boy said, "No, when if the command not to cheer, that is a fetish word, not a scam." Opening on so equiva well molama barente. If engineer kwokwu onye nka na obro nna ya ka nna agwa maka na onye nka na atolo mi ato. Obuna this boy no ni room ne e welo mo le kpu mi ante. Kedive meji mu ya. It is quite appalling that Igbo ofeke n'okwu ị na-ekwu okwu kalele gị ọnụ. Who told you that na mmadụ ịkpọtụ chie enwere ife ọ bụ? Then who told you na ị maala ife buchi? Ajụrụ gị ihe buchi ịsa ya ebe ọnụ na chi bụ God. Chi is not God. Chi is the pulse, the essence of life. The day mmadụ nwụrụ, if for those that study the lab technology or microbiology, watch the microscope. When the pulse leaves a human, you will notice the ether, the essence of existence, will vanish. That is the chi returning to the source. Kachi nakulu akofu. When the essence of life leaves you, it will go back to the divine source. Are you getting my point? Now, along the line in this video, this man said something. This is, listen, watch.
Let me tell you, I'm telling you as an elder. How old are you? This is true.
In Ifokulu. Ne gente. Gente. Gente.
Let me tell you, I'm telling you as an elder. How old are you?
Because any day Hasig, I'm telling you as an elder. Check you no feke na akanka. I repeat. In a low village in Ajuese, Iju ofeke ese, Osaga juju ofeke, Iche no kenye salga juju. If you authority ojagwe, let me tell you, I'm telling you as an elder. Ofeka bro kenye, respectfully, I don't mean any defamation of character to the person of this elder. Get my point. Obro kenye, I'm talking of in this aspect of knowledge, no kuba salod nana. Ofeke kobo, ofeka man kwoku dibia. No, Dibia called the L. So, in this aspect of ordinana, Oburi sia woke eji amoken, Aguamuna, Ndini amolo no gas, Ebulisi battery factory wire alternative. Ndi amolo no gas, Ebulisi battery, the parents simulai, Amolo ha no gas, Isi battery na wire alternative of anor no. So, ina analuna aju hajo in confidence, ni na ajuto kenyife. Nda yeti n'ụzọ gbalina. Fire alaptag negi gbalisa. Now imagine the infantry. Imagine the confidence that the Ajinagwe. I'm telling you as an elder, respectfully, Daddy, I beg to differ. In this aspect of life, Iburo Kenyananka. Respectfully, Nam. If you get a no na Kenya waboke, na yobiko. Mbolu na nke nwe nwoke asị na mma ejola maba anya ntị maka na ọbọọlụ mma atọ onye nke atọ so ọ bụ na olulu ebe amabapụ m ya ntị onye enyeli ọnụ ya setọ mana olu na mgbe nne ya if see me being very respectful because in as much as I'm trying to make correction I must not disrespect his persona as onye tolmato ụwa he is old enough to be my father but when it comes to the concept of ordinana that the Igbo ofeke adị m ekwu okwu nwa gị nwoke bụ aji amụ Obna nke anọ m nuse ewere m kpuza nga kpuwapụ ya anya for isita ọnụ ife ọ na-amarọ. Now I am talking of the aspect of chi. Chi is not God. And got many people are not agreeing. Now he said something that tickled my fancy. He said that na mada de nye chi enni. What if I show you from your Bible? Now your Bible God requests can get na chuku giliko. Deuteronomy 18:18. Go in a Bible. Even Jidiba de Bonama maybe Messi Ife man a Bible. Deuteronomy 18 verse 18. Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 18. Kedife Bible nuku. Ubola ato naro. Ka nwoke ọbụna ga-abịa n'iru Chukwu. And ịbịa ba n'ime mgbaka na. O ife dị na Bible unu. Mana ọ sara ele ọnụ kịta. Even if he was trying to mean that she is God. Assuming that she is God, he even failed the concept. Ebe si enwe unu nsogbu na ụka unu ejeri ọfụma. Omenana unu amara anything. On a what if when it comes to ordinana, thank you, brother. When it comes to ordinana, biko ejiro isi awa mo Kenya. Respectfully, ejin chukwu ayogi fan na yunu. When it comes to ordinana, ejimako se bi oji ayonu biko olu no ordinana. Oburu isi oburu onye tolu mmadu bu okenye na ordinana. Ndị okenye anyị ụkalili isi batrefa ka ya ime na ị na-ajụ okenye fe duba agha na mbibi. Ogwe ma di Igbo word mbibi. Mbibi is utter destruction. Ka ya li jugide okenye duba agha na mbibi. Ifra kan na masị ekwu okwu na, I'm telling you as an elder, respectfully daddy, ibu m oge ụwa, ịtọrọ m atọ ya anwụtanwu m, mana n'okwu nke nna m eji Chineke ayọ gị ịdalia. Chi abụrụ God. And anyị nwere okpe nsị ma ọ bụ ọkpọsị mmadụ na-adọtu chie. Now, why do we pour blood upon an archetype? Akụzigolu m unu sunu na everything eme n'ọdịnala nwere reason. Listen and learn. Why do the Igbo African ancestors pour blood on archetypes? On some of these things you are seeing as if to say it's nothing. Why blood? I will give you the scientific meaning before I tell you the esoteric meaning. In science, when we are studying chemistry, we were taught that a blood is a buffer solution. Are you learning? A blood is a buffer solution. What is a buffer solution? B-U-F-F-E-R. The word buffer solution is a solution that resists changes in pH when you add either acid or alkaline. In my phone mean, can summarize when we say that blood is a buffer solution, it means that if we remain constant. That is what science is calling buffer. That when blood is classified as a buffer solution, whether acid or alkaline does not affect the pondus dihydronym range. What am I trying to say? Etu no eba akita. Iwele obala. Igogidofo. Fesa obola. N'enu ife. Are you getting my point? Ifesa obala n'enu ife. Ifesa obala n'enu ife. It makes whatsoever decree you made. Are you getting my point? Whatever decree you made to be constant, irrevocable. So respectfully, take this correction. Chi abro God. God is a deity. Agogomun ilu in India say mad God bless you. An Indian person will ask you, which God? Check him can say mad God bless you. If you are telling me God bless you, which of the God are you referring to? Is he Ogugu? Kamadioha? Koudo? Be specific. Is your India God bless you? When India which God? Is he Krishna or Vishnu or Bajambali or Shiva? Which of the God are you referring to? So God, a deity. From the Indian word Gudan, we got the word God, a deity. It is different from Chi, the essence of life. Now watch and understand. That is why I told you people that one word in Igbo that defined creation in its fullness, that simplified creation in its fullness, is the name Chi na Eke. Duality. Chi na Eke. Two things coming together to become one. Because everything in nature is made of dual. In electricity, it's called positive and negative. In computing, it's called binary, 0 and 1. In current, it's called plus and minus, positive and negative. Right? In chemistry, it's called anion and cation. In animal, it's called oke na nwunye, male and female. Are you getting my point? So everything is duality. That is why I told you that the Christian religion that came to us robbed off of duality. Because everything is made of duality. Remember, Genesis 1:26 said, and God said, let us make man in our own image after our likeness. Adam and Eve, according to the Bible story. Whereas in heaven, there is no female in heaven. Where did Eve come from? You cannot rub creation. You can't talk of creation without talking of the feminine. The divine feminine, the consciousness of the divine feminine. That is why chi na eke. Chi, the essence of life. Eke, the creation. And that is why I made a teaching. I told you the duality consciousness of Chineke. I told you that the sperm cell of a woman, the sperm cell of a man serves like the chi. Why did the ovary, the ovum of a woman serves like the eke? When the chi swims and meets the eke, the fusion of the chi and the eke gives life. Are you getting my point now? The chi and the eke fusing together to give out life. Chineke. Duality that brings about creation. Chineke, the fusion of the pulse and the dormant, because the ovary, the ovum is always dormant until the chi touches the ovum. The ovum is always dormant until the chi touches the ovum. And that is why I told you, water Psalm 23, what I'm boss here, your rod and your staff, they comfort to me. All comforting rod, na staff comfort. And that is why the female genitalia is given a suction fluid. The female genitalia, the vagina, has a suction pump. Whereas the penis have an injection pump. Okikadro stupid. So that the chi and the eke can work equal and opposite. Just like sodium and chlorine. We both need each other. The chi and the eke need each other. The fusion of the chi and the eke gives life. Meiotic fusion. You did it in biology, mitosis and meiosis. This fusion of chi and the eke is equals to life, male and female, fusing together to give life. That is chi. Back out life. That is chi. Are you getting the point? So if you hear me saying chi, 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 chi is not God. Chi is the essence of life. That when she comes into the eke is activated. Every woman is moving about with a dormant ovum. Right? Every woman is moving about with a dormant ovum until an active chi pierces the ovum. The fusion of the chi and the eke. Do you now understand why I said that one name that simplified creation in the Igbo parlance is Chineke? Have you actually understand what Chineke means now? Because people think that Chineke means God the creator. No. Chineke is telling you duality consciousness of Okike. The chi and the eke. The chi fusing together with the eke. That is the mysticism of creation. When chi misses, yes, phone and SIM card. No matter how good the phone is, you need a SIM card to make call. If someone you below teluku, according to now, the only time parthenogenesis happened, I told you people that there is a rare situation that have happened in recorded history where a woman impregnated herself. We called it parthenogenesis. We saw it listed in the story of Osset. Okay, when Osset gave birth to Horus in ancient Kemet, we see this story. We noted it down. Even though modern science is saying that parthenogenesis is impossible, we know. I am but I'm trying to explain that you cannot say that she is synonymous to God. It is an error of translation. She is not God. And please be careful when struggling to translate English words, to translate Igbo terms into the English, you might commit blunder. He did very enlightened. Clearly made this mistake. Are you getting my point? So when we are talking of chi, chi is not God. Chi is the life, the source the spark that comes to the eke to make life active. Now, let me shock you again so that you will know this one. 500 years ago, 500 is too much. Okanon in Nigeria is 187 years. 200 years ago, the Igbo people don't generally accept chuku as what you call chuku today. Even what chuku today is not in Igbo language generally. Only in Igbo amaro chuku 200 years ago. When we want to talk about chuku 200 years ago, we go to Aro chuku. Listen to this. I've heard many people saying chuku okike abiyama. Chuku okike abiyama is a new coining. I've made this teaching before. Chuku okike abiyama is made coin three things together. In fact, in the actual sense, chuku okike abiyama is more of tautology, and I will explain. Chuku okike abiyama is three words I join it together. Okike is creation. Abiyama is one of the characteristics of creation. Listen, Abiyama. Abiyama, the word Abiyama is a portmanteau of two words, Abia and Ama. Abia means wisdom, knowledge, esoteric and exoteric understanding. Ama means Ibama, to reveal. So means this person reveals. So Abiyama means the revealer of wisdom, knowledge, esoteric and exoteric understanding, so that we can understand and understand. So what am I trying to say? Okike is one word for the divinity of creation. Abiyama is characteristics and attribute of the divinity of creation. Chuku is a new name which the Igbo people gave to the divinity of creation when Christianity came to our land. Because originally, the word Chuku belongs to a deity in Aro Chuku. Are you getting my point now? So now, what was the original word for the divine in Igbo language? Even the Igbo na the divine, what you call God today, even the Igbo na originally is Akose. I repeat, Akose. From the word Akose, we now got the derivatives like Olise, Akolise, Akose, the infinite source. That is what it means. Akose, the infinite source of all creation. Akose. Akose. Iyoji, the black hole matter. The matter of all matter. The nucleus of all life. Akose. Iyoji. Akose. So when you hear people saying Chuku, 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 Chuku is the youngest name which this new modern era of Igbos, who we are Christianized, attributed to the creation, to the divinity. Okike is the composite of creation. Okike, one of the attributes of Owa. Now we are talking of Abiyama, a characteristics of that wholeness. Abiyama, that he revisited, he is the revealer of wisdom. Akose, Akofu, the single thing of double thing. Akofu is not talking of one. He's talking of the wholeness of duality. The summation of wholeness. Akofu, Akose. The oldest name for the divine source in Igbo cosmology and ontology is Akose and Akofu. That is why he takes the Akofu or the Akose to commission your Ijitofu. Akose, A-K-A-O-S-E. That is the ancient Igbo language for the divine source, Akose. That is how we get the name Akolise. Akolise. From the word we got Osebuluwa, Olise. These are the derivatives of Akose. Chuku originally was a deity in Aro Chuku. What to me? Kaijefu Chuku na Aro Chuku. Now watch the thing. These deities, the people, the children of these deities bear their name. For example, Iluona Aro Chuku, enwe family bundi Umu Chuku. Yes, Umu Chuku na Aro Chuku. That same way, we have a deity called the Ekwensu, which is in charge of war. For example, the late Nollywood legend Mr. Ibu is from Umu Ekwensu. Senator Nya Baribe is from Azu Ekwensu in Abia State. Umu Ekwensu, Enugu State. If Ekwensu was evil, how would a village be named after Ekwensu? Because Enugu State, have you not heard of Umu Ekwensu? If you are from Abia State, have you not heard of a community called Azu Ekwensu? Now, the point I'm telling you is this. The concept of chuku is a new name generally accepted with respect to the coming of Christianity. We now attributed the name chuku to the divinity, no problem. I'm just telling you the source. Just like the day I was teaching you about Iye Rioba. I told you that that originally Iye Rioba is a deity in Omombala. And what is the job of Iye Rioba? Whomever that is put under the protection, whoever that is insured under the protection of Iye Rioba cannot be drowned. That is to say, Agodogini Iye Rioba, Miriam Maligi, in Olgodini emotion, they will send you something. Iye Rioba will send you aid, maybe hippopotamus or a dolphin to carry you out. Now, what am I trying to say? Chi is not God. Iruona Murinkano, enwere ndị bụ ndị ụmụ ekwensu. Iruona Abia State, enwere ndị bụ ndị azụ ekwensu. These are names of deities. Are you getting my point? These are originally names of deity. Before Bishop Shanahan and co came to our land and bastardized these things. Should know what is Iye Rioba. You go to Anam, Miata Anam, Umobana, Umezanam. Ask the people living in the coastal of Nzandanam, Aguleri, Nando, they will tell you of Iye Rioba. Whomever is insured under Iye Rioba can never be drowned. Ndi Igbo, obunu na chobara your core values. The knowledge of our old will be lost from us. Unu chekwano ndo Kenya ya zotai. Pity them, they were giving birth to a Nogazi. Namulu Nogazi, isi battery fa de no noka. These elders that gave birth to us, the constellation of Ogazi was what was in preeminence as at the time of their birth. And that is why it is difficult for them to understand the things hidden by our ancestors. I am begging you. I am begging you. Biko. Chi is not God. Chi is the essence of life. And that is why I told somebody, na Chi Gozie is different from Chuku Gozie. The person provoked. I said yes. If we understand that we've attributed Chuku to mean Akose, Chuku and Chi is not the same thing. Chi is your personal guide, your personal consciousness, this personal spark from the divine to you. Let me explain this in the way you understand now. Let me use Airtel, for example. Airtel Nigeria is the internet service provider, ISP. They are the Akose. Get the point now, you understand now. Now, anybody that is using Airtel in his house is using an attribute of Airtel in your house. Chi is not your destiny. Destiny is Akalaka. Don't get the two different. Chi is the spark of life that made you to be living. The portal of your soul. That is your Chi. And it comes into you on or before the 40th days. And that is why I said, these days is because we don't put somebody in the mortuary before now. Do you know why? Because we understand, according to the ordinance of transition, that in 40 days, we must have preferred whomever that passed on to join his ancestors. Chi is not God. And that is to say, If you are still keeping somebody in the mortuary more than 40 days from the time he died, you are making that person to find it difficult to come before their couple to be judged for either good or bad. Understand this in the simplest way. I use the sperm and ovum to explain it for it to be simpler for you. I touch many things. In electricity, the female is the plus. But until the minus come, the load will not be complete. Is that not true? That is how a woman is carrying the ovum. Now, girl, every month, the woman will shed egg because there is no activator. There is no catalyst. See chi as the catalyst of life. Until the day the chi, which is the sperm, I'm using this analogy, hits the egg, the dormant life in the egg, will spark up. And the egg will become life. The fusion of chi and the eke gave us the word chi na eke. That's why the rod and your staff will comfort me. Have I made myself clear? If I abund in Abamba, you see me, and on the AC heat, it is out of the abundance of my heart, the mouth speakest. I just showed you the direct translation from etymology that your God is not the same thing with chi. Now, it will not make you to understand. Now, those people singing, Chima di eriji, Chima di eriede, so si fe chimu neri, so abo tito, you are wrong. When you make a declaration to your chi, you need a buffer solution to make it come to life. You might really need to pour libation. It might not always be blood. It might be ordinary water libation. Water libation. Exodus 29:24. Exodus 29:40. Exodus 25 verse 29. Pouring libation to some manya. Ordinary libation can activate your chi so that whatever is said will become a torse, a constant. What do we call constant in Igbo? That is why we pour libation either with water or with alcohol or with ordinary juice. Ordinary juice. Ordinary juice. You keep coconut juice. Pour libation to your chi. Do you get my point? Ordinary water is enough. Milineru is divine. Or if the case becomes, you will now use the blood for the bigger libation. Have you understand what my point now? Have you understood what I'm trying to say? That your chi is not the same thing with God. Confusing the word chi with God is a blunder. It's a blunder. Is your India, God bless you. Which God? Is he Vishnu or Krishna or Shiva or Bajambali? Maazi Dibia, which God bless me. Majug or Arofonya. Koyoji. Ko tu view molum. Ko wo pinna wanye. Ka Roma no kanipunam. Ka Roma yom ka geloma wo. Ka Arabube. I will ask you, Ka Ragadwine. I will ask you which of the God or Maliko Wezigwe na abatete in Igbo. Kondewan Jaba Kina Goya bless him. Which of the God? Be specific. Please, now, let me make this point before I close. That is why in the Igbo worldview, every of this pantheon will all of. Listen and get this clear. Now, Igbo, every of this pantheon, every of this deity will their own job. What are these things this way? See their course as the vice chancellor. You understand what I mean now? If you come to a university, the vice chancellor is their course, right? Under the vice chancellor, we have dean of studies. And under the dean of studies, we have different HOD, head of departments, right? Each department will only be in charge, yeah? You can't be looking for a child and you are begging a kwensu. It means that you don't understand misplaced priority. It will not make you to understand what was written in the book of James chapter 1. You asked and you did not receive because you asked and missed. You can't be looking for a child now. You ekwensu nwa. Ekwensu enwere time inye gị nwa. Ife ekwensu no bụ na onye ilo na-achụ gị, na onye ilo chọrọ igbu gị. Ekwensu abịalụ gị ọgụ welu masali onu. But if you are looking for a child, you go to Ordinana and ask to Ogugu. Or you go to Alusi and ask Akwale. See two things I said now. Later I will teach you about that. You go to Ordinana and ask to Ogugu. Or you go to Alusi and ask Akwale. What you did now? Akwale no Ogugu. Fana abone nyenwa. But ofu tolibie. Because the source, every digital will take permission from Ogugu. Fana bonali in consonant in nyenwa. Are you getting my point? Ogoli ogute and digital. Now, Anejaya, we go to Udo. Udo, Nandi need the telobodaya akwa. Na nwoke adios kwa baya na fast na fire bia buti onye obuna. Udo biko binye Udo koitesi ụmụnne ya nya na ọrụ ọbala bụ ekwensu fanta niile ebite makọta aka ọnụ ejebe ọgụ. That is for war. If you want to do business and you don't have the brain to do it, or you need a new skill to do it, you begin to consult Abiankata or ekwensu, because ekwensu perform different functions. Ekwensu can be used for war, it can be used for creativity. Nyama bụ eze agụ alongside the Nago bụ Abiankata. Are you getting my point? Now, you cannot be going for war and you are calling Ogugu. No one Ogugu biko bite na ina ndi nwa na anu ogu. Eye belu isi. Ogugu ada anu ogu. Onye bu di be na olu ya inu ogu bu Udo na ekwensu. Are you getting this in now? Maka ina aya yo ka imali ihe ina ayo. Ikwubo okwu ego, you can go to Akwali, you can go to Ogu, yobi ego di fanaka. So if that is why I am explaining. These are gods. Which of the god do you want their function? If you are looking for protection, Abosi isi alusi eji eme odogwu nekwa mekwana ka aya liem nke a bụ na Maazi ifi ya mi je kwọ mba. Chi is not God. I'm not trying to digress. I'm just trying to touch many places so that I'll get you this thing. When you understand this thing, onyelo gaka, maybe now there is one of these deity Obunabani. If there is a war that should be fought at night, Ijebudo Igbo Obunabani. Ewelabani salundini no onu. If you want to win a war, you need the wisdom of Ekwensu. Ekwensu can be tricky in the battlefield. What can Ekwensu do? Ekwensu is that kind of deity. Agwa Bible called Yahweh. I told you something that Ekwensu is Yahweh. Una watari yeneku. Na ibi ejima na Ekwensu di Yahweh bo Yahweh. Onwe mbo Bible sig na ndi Israel na ache no sandi Amalek ogu. And the Bible deity Yahweh made the sun to rise in the morning and became reddish in nature. Whereas there has been rainfall by night. He tilted the sun 45 degrees. When the enemy of the Israelites saw it, they ran away, thinking that the blood. They now came to celebrate. The Israelites encamped them and win them. I'm using your Bible excerpt to teach you what you don't know. In the battlefield. Are you getting my point? So, because Chi is not God, and the Madi Messiah is not wrong. How? We saw it in Judges chapter 17, verse 5 in your Bible. What did your Bible say? Judges 17, 5. Aukwondi ibe isi nkiri na asa ama okwu nke ise. Kedife Bible unuku. And the man called Micah has a house of gods. And he appointed one of his sons to be priest over them. Cancel gya n'Igbo. Na nwoke ni a na-akpọ Micah nwere okwu mmụọ wee mee ofu diokpali ya ka ọ na-enedo ha anya ka ọ bụrụ onye na-agọlụ mmụọ ji, which must be the first son. Where is your house of gods? Are you getting the point now? Where is your house of gods? Judges 17:5. Ihe nji na-akọwa ife a bụ ọ na-adịlu unu izi ịtụfu nke unu. Ụka unu ejekwuru ọfụma, Bible unu amarọ. Maka ọ da-afịara isisi bulu tụfuo, Proverbs 22:28. Do not remove any ancient landmark which your forefathers set. Rapụ alụsị dị na bu na ọ bụrụ ya ji gị ịga n'iru jee jụọ ese. Proverbs 16:33 si gị gbaa afa ka a tụzielu gị aka ife ihe eme ka ndụ gị gaa ọfụma. Ị na-afe enene m na ahịa ekwu ikwucha kịta ịkpọ ndị ahịa ekpere akụwa aka emechezi ọla ahụ n'anya. Your chi is not God. Chi is different from God. I hope this message will help generations to come. Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. Daalụ.